Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and yes, we're back here at the Subaru. Haven't been with this in a while, but I'm here with it. Engine's done. Engine's put back together. Had to redo quite a bit of stuff just to probably get it going right. I have started it, let it run a while, but now it's your turn to hear it run. I only have the header on, not the exhaust. The exhaust is right over there. Look how long that exhaust is. That is like, you'd swear that's longer than the car. I'm not kidding. This is a long car. That's crazy. And yeah, it is time for me to show you this car starting up. Oh, I sure hope it doesn't disappoint me here. But, oops, sorry, camera problems, always with me, right? And get in, hit the clutch, find the keyhole, take it out of. It runs. I'll come back to it when she is totally, wow, it's 27 degrees out here. I thought it was warm. When she's off fast idle. Another thing to show you, I have insane oil pressure at startup. Look at that. We're up to about 85. That's insane. Rev her up a little. Neighbors hate me. Revved her up, got her up to 90 oil pressure. Tack works, that's nice. She's kinda leveling out now. Don't know what's wrong with the ABS, but I'm sure I'll figure that out. And I'm pretty sure that engine light is nothing serious. I'll have to check that out and see what that is. Oil pressure is down to about 70 now. She sounds good. She sounds good, nice and strong. So we are about at idle now. This thing runs pretty good. We're about, I would say a little over 500 RPM. Oh no, that would be, I don't know, 750. Oil pressure is about 40. And this thing does sound nice when revved up without the exhaust on it. So I'm going to do that just to have a little fun and to hopefully not annoy my neighbors. Since I did put, it is a lot quieter now that I put the header on it. So let's. Everything is running really nice. Then she clicks back down. She wasn't doing that before. Oh, she's pretty smooth. This engine runs really nice. Down to about 35 on the oil pressure now. So let's get out and take a look at her. I don't know if that's lifter noise or what do you hear? I'm not sure. It runs nice. Or is that? No, I think that's fuel injector noise. Yeah, I think that's fuel injector noise. Clicking away. I just want to run it without an exhaust on it. Kind of fun. Well, of course, all us car guys usually say that, and then I'll stick back on the original exhaust. Sadly, I won't get this car done for winter because I got too many other projects on the go, and I have other problems that I have to deal with on this car that are going to take a lot more time to fix than time I have to spend on it now. So, I'll show you those problems. So, one of the problems is these, yeah, I was going to fix the rust anyways, but I noticed, oh, that's soft too. I'm going to have to do a lot of work back here. I don't have the time for that right now. So I am going to work away at her slowly And guess what? The other side is the same over there, rotted away. So I have to do quite a bit of fixing. That's not a giant problem for me. I'm used to these kind of things. So that's not bugging me at all. It's the, this bracket here that's holding up the partial, part of the rear diff there. It's got nothing holding it together. It's kind of funny. So I kind of want to move that out of the way and get right in here and, well, really work at this. But yeah. So yeah, buying a Subaru may have not been the wisest choice, but since I'm so far into it now, front end, everything there, engine, transmission, everything up in the front is all done. And I knew the back needed to have some work done, but man, I just don't have enough time left in this summer to take care of that. So I'm gonna have to take care of that come, well, next spring probably. Hopefully I can get some done before winter shows up. But yeah, I got other things to work on, and hopefully everyone can understand. Subaru, they got some problems. Well, my Subaru, it's got some problems. But you know what? Everything will be fine. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And this was just a little update on, well, the Subaru life I'm going through. Still got my hat on, though, Still got my hat on. Haven't thrown that in the garbage yet.